Hello, gents. If you're watching this video, you fit into one of four camps. Either you're a man who has a beard, a man who wishes he had a beard, a woman whose man has a beard, or a woman who wishes her man had a beard. Which camp do you fall into? And don't even think about saying, well, actually, I don't fit into any. No, save your breath. I don't like to listen to liars. Today, I'm going to talk about upping your beard game using Beardbrand products. Before I get into showing you the products, I want to talk about Beardbrand just a little bit. They have premium beard products. This is a company that's based out of the state that I currently live in, Washington. Now, not only do they have these nice products that I'm going to show you today, they're also a resource for bearding. The Beardbrand YouTube channel, anytime you spend watching that is time well spent. There are literally hundreds of videos on there for everything you'd ever want to know about bearding. Lots of tips, lots of ideas, and I've learned a lot about bearding from that YouTube channel. I recommend you check it out. So first today, we're going to talk about beard wash and beard conditioner. First, the beard wash. This is Blank Slate beard wash. Now, I will admit that much of my bearding career, I have been a beard wash skeptic. I've said, do I really need beard wash? Do I have to use some special shampoo on my beard? I mean, usually it comes in a small bottle and it's not cheap. Can I just use normal shampoo? The answer is yeah, you can. If you want to take your beard to the next level, if you want to up your beard game, then I do recommend trying beard wash though. It really is made for the hair on your face that's different than the hair on your head, and the skin on your face that's different from the skin on top of your head. A lot of times I've said, well, I don't know, the person who's trying to sell me the beard wash, they're saying I need it. Well, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I don't own any beard wash, but I do recommend giving it a try. This particular bottle, this particular type of beard wash, it actually goes a long way. A little bottle like this will last you a long time. It only takes about a lima bean sized amount of this shampoo, and I can lather up my beard really well. So not only that, but you don't have to shampoo your beard every day. In fact, you shouldn't. Every other day at the most. Now this beard conditioner, Blank Slate conditioner like the other one, Blank Slate because they're unscented. They call it beard softener. This is actually even more important than the beard wash itself is. I feel like, for me anyway, beard softener, beard conditioner, you should do this every single day if you want peak performance out of your beard. And it takes a little bit more of this than the shampoo. It takes probably 3 lima bean sized amounts of this for me to get it through my beard. And the way I do it, I often will put the conditioner in at the beginning of the shower and let it work its magic throughout the shower before I rinse it out toward the end. Now I'm going to talk about some balm and some oil. Before I do, a word about these. These, like I said, these especially are premium products, and I do not recommend these for everybody. These aren't necessary for your beard. These are like if you really want to treat your beard nice. These are special occasion products right here, and they are expensive. I don't say run out and buy these, but if you want to take your beard to the next level, give them a try. First is the Utility Balm. This is Old Money flavored, Old Money scented Utility Balm. And if you're wondering what's Utility Balm versus regular balm, well, a regular beard balm is just to shape your beard and moisturize it too. And Utility Balm can do that and more. It can also go on dry skin. Like you can put it into your hands. If you have dry spots, you can put it there. You can put it in your hair. You can even put it on tattoos to help the tattoo. I don't know. I don't have any tattoos, but you can put it on tattoos also. So what I do is I get a little bit about like that in my hand or on my fingers, stick it in here, and rub it in. When you rub this together and get some friction going, it's going to turn into like an oil. And then I just go right in there. You're wanting to work this right down to the skin. I always like to get the sides because for me the sides are the place where I have hairs that are most likely to fly away. I really love this scent. This smells so good. Love this Old Money Balm. When I'm done, anything that's left on my hands, any grease, I just go topside. Just rub it into my hair. Next, let's do the beard oil. This is Temple Smoke scented beard oil. I don't know what Temple Smoke is supposed to smell like, but I can tell you this. I love this smell. It's really good. And mixing the Temple Smoke with the Old Money, winning combination every time. The opening of the jar looks like that, so I just take a little bit into my hand. Just get it right in. Now that is nice. I love the smell. I love what it does for my beard too. When I put this in, my beard's going to behave all day. You can follow this up with a comb or a brush depending on the length of your beard. And again, after I got it all worked in there, I'll go topside. Just get the rest of the oil off into my hair. From here, if you like to comb your hair, you could comb it, and this will hold it in place for the rest of the day. And lastly, I'm going to show you some Temple Smoke Mustache Wax. This is a really cool, innovative design. It comes in a little thing like you would get chapstick out of. Unfortunately for me, I recently had a mustache mishap. The barber just thought I wanted him to cut the mustache clear off. Yeah, I won't be going back to him. But I did use this a lot before I lost my mustache about a week ago, and it worked really good. It's perfect for shaping. And again, that Temple Smoke scent, beautiful. So I'm going to do a few more of these. I'm going to do a little series of different beard products that I've tried that I love. There are a lot of beard products out there, tons. I'm going to show you some of the ones that I like. Stay tuned. See you soon, gents.